Welcome to Ergono3D, a platform designed to create personalized, print-ready insole designs in just minutes. The project is guided by a clear vision and mission to make functional insole design fast and accessible. Users can generate parametric geometry and printable STL files without complex CAD tools. The platform follows a smart workflow divided into 4 simple steps: basic info, guided input, smart generation, and export and print. This ensures a smooth transition from data entry to a finished model. After logging in, you are taken directly to the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your design projects. Here, you can view your existing files, including name or ID, type, size, and creation time. You can also click the Create New button to start a fresh customization process. The workflow begins at step 0, where you enter basic info to set the foundation for the design. On this screen, you type in a name or ID and select standard parameters from drop-down menus, including user type and size. You may also enter optional metrics such as age, height, and weight to ensure the insole profile is scaled correctly for the user. Step 1 moves into guided input, a structured process where you build the user profile through 4 clear subsections. Daily routine, subcategory, arch type, and wear pattern. This interface allows you to define the user's needs through simple manual selections. For example, under wear pattern, you observe the user's current shoe and select the matching option, such as medial, lateral, or even. These selections help tailor the design to the user's walking mechanics and structural requirements. In step 2, process focuses on symptoms and activities to identify pain points and movement habits. You make selections across 4 subsections: discomfort area, usage scenario, priority, and shoe type. For example, you can identify discomfort in areas such as the heel or arch, and select shoe types like sneakers, dress shoes, or boots. This ensures the final design matches both comfort needs and footwear constraints. The final input stage is step 3, fit and background, which allows for fine-tuning based on personal history. This screen includes personal description, where you can enter notes or select tags such as flat foot since childhood. It also includes previous insoles and history, where you indicate whether this is a first-time use or a continuation from past custom orthotics. This information helps integrate personal preferences and historical context into the final model. Once data entry is complete, a pop-up window presents the generation logic and design specifications. This screen shows how your inputs have been translated into technical features. It details logic for fit and support, such as arch height and midfoot support, as well as stability features like heel cup standards. This step allows you to review how the system has configured the insole parameters. A second pop-up displays a summary of completed adjustments, including the number of shape changes applied to the model. This screen reminds you to review midsole offset and scaling to ensure accuracy for the intended shoe. After reviewing, you can save this version of the generated model. You are then presented with a large, interactive 3D display of the generated insoles on a grid background. This view allows you to rotate and inspect the model in detail. It helps visually confirm that the contours and geometry align with the user's requirements before finalizing the file. The interface then allows you to manually edit specific parameters on the right side, covering the forefoot, midfoot, and rear foot sections. Controls such as arch height, heel cup depth, and flange height are available for precise adjustments. After entering new values, you click Update Parameter to refresh the model, and then save Insole Model to complete the design at the Customization Completed screen. You can choose to download the file immediately or proceed to scale the fit, because the design is saved to your account. You can also return to the dashboard at any time. From there, you can open the model to continue scaling or make final adjustments. This opens the Insole Scaling Adjustment interface, where you can precisely control the final physical dimensions of the insole. The screen shows the 3D model with real-time measurements for length, height, and width in millimeters. On the right panel, you can use sliders to independently adjust length, scale, height scale, and width scale. You may also reset scaling if needed. Once the dimensions are correct, click Download to export your final print-ready STL file